Hello and welcome again to this Google Calendar 101 tutorial series. In the second video we saw how to set up a recurring event, an event that occurs the same time every week. Let's now take this a bit further. In our timetable we have the week A and week B scenario where the classes in week A do not necessarily occur in the same schedule in week B. So for example, right now we have math here on Thursday period 1 and it is the same every week. But let's say your math in week B occurs on Friday period 2 instead of Thursday period 1. How can we then set up that kind of calendar? Well, first thing, let's just start from scratch. So let's just delete this whole series of events. Now let us first set up week A. Alright, week A is Thursday period 1. So let's go to create math. We go to Thursday, then we set it at period 1, 8:15 a.m., 9:05 a.m. Right, and you want your tangerine, there it is. Now this is, at the moment, we've just set up a single occurrence event. Doesn't recur at all. Now let's edit its recurrence so that it appears only on week A, which means it will have to skip a week, right? So week A is week 1 and this term has 12 weeks. So it has to come up on week 1, week 3, week 5 and so on. We can stick in our location, of course. Alright, now here we have to go to custom repeat. And then this event does not repeat every week, but it repeats every 2 weeks. Right? Every 2 weeks. And it's gonna end, remember the term ends March 29, but that's week 12. This is going to be week 1, week 3, week 5, so it'll end up in week 11. So the end date will be the week before that, week 11. Alright, let's click save here and let's click save here. And now let's see what has happened. Week A, we have it. Week B is not there. Week A, we have it. Week B is not there. Week A, we have it, and let's see if it ends in the correct time. Here, 22nd March, that's week 11, and week 12 is not there. So that we've set up week A. Now we need to set week B. So let's go and set week B. We say week B is Friday period 2. Okay, so let's create grade 8 math. Actually, it's an easier way. It's an easier way. Just duplicate this. Sorry. Okay, here, duplicate. Just duplicate this event. And we just want to edit the dates. So January 10 is week A. So we're going to have a week B Friday, so it's going to have the following week on Friday, so it's January 18, and it's period 2, so it starts at 9:05 and it ends at 10:05. No, not 10:05, sorry, 9:55. Okay, and then let's go to here. So again we go custom, so it repeats every 2 weeks, but then it has to end week 12, right? So here, this is week 11, week 12 is end March 29. Okay, so let's click save and then let's check it out. So January 7, this is week A, week B. Oh, let me just, for demo, let me just make week B to be purple. Alright, so here, week A on a Thursday, week B on a Friday, week A, week B, week A, week B, week A, week B, and there is Friday 29th, right? Then nothing after that. So this is how you set up your alternating week A and week B schedules on Google Calendar.